everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I just want to share a little Easter project. It's actually an Easter kit that I put together. I have a friend who has been going through a lot with her family. And she used to craft and do videos on the channel. She doesn't do them anymore. And you know, a lot of it's due to a lot that's going on in her home. And I just thought that with everything she had going on, that maybe if she sat down and had everything already prepared, she could do a few crafts and it might just lift her spirits a little. I love this lady to bits and she's like a daughter to me. So I'm going to share the craft kit that I put together for her, and it might inspire you guys to make one and share with a crafty friend as well. I'll be right back. This is everything that I put in the kit. I printed out some papers from Knitwick Collections, and I used one of my French fry box dies, and I just cut out several different patterns so that she could pick whatever she wants. She has 4 sisters, so I wanted to send one for each of her sisters, her mom, her and her husband. But, you know, I mean, she can give them to whoever she wants to. And so I cut out enough of the French fry boxes. Then I found some pink crinkle paper at the Dollar Tree, so I added some of that in a bag. I took a scrap of the paper that I'd already printed out, and I added some cream seam binding and then some white satin ribbon here for her to add to and make bows or tie up whatever she wants to put in, if she wants to put in candies or whatnot. And I forgot, I also put in some pink treat bags, so she could slide the, you know, the fry box down in there and tie the treat bag up with some of the ribbon, you know, or something like that if she wanted. I added some flare here that I had made, and these all matched the different pieces, that the papers that I did. So everything matches and coordinates. So, you know, if she wants to, you know, mix and match, she's more than welcome to. But if she wants it all to match, it most definitely will. I'll get you a little tighter here so you can see the flares. And so that all matches. Then I went and I did a print and cut on my Cricut. And did just some basic shapes with the pattern, as well as the little images. So here's the duck, which also has a duck down here. Whoop, that one right there. And so that matches. And then here's another one with a bunny, which also matches the bunny there. But again, it's different colors, so she can pick and choose whatever she wants. Another little chick, an adorable little bunny. Then I did these two that are more doily-like shaped. And so they are also there, and they go in a little baggie together. And then I thought, well, what if she wants to make it more dimensional, you know, and she wants to use the things I just shared with you. And I thought I want to give her an option to make it, you know, make it a more, you know, dimensional project and more 3D. So I, again, did a print and cut on my Cricut, and it printed out and cut all of the little shapes that match the things that I just shared with you. So she can just take them and pop them up on Pop Dots. If she wants to cut just the carrot out and have it popped up, she can do that. If she wants to, you know, pop the little heads of the bunnies up, she can, you know, cut that off and do it that way. Or she can cut up or pop up the entire, you know, piece, you know, whatever she wants to do. And I just wanted to give her options so that she could create it in a way that she, you know, was happy with it. It was her idea, but it was stuff that is easy for her to do. I added a pink and 2 different shades of pink, a green and a yellow sequin bow. Then I used some of my faux leather and cut out, this is tinted, it's a little hard to see. Let me dump them out. I can always put them back. There we go. So I did 2 different shades of pink sequin bows, as well as a green and a yellow sequin bow. Then I did faux leather in yellow and in pink glitter. And then I had this one cut out on my desk, and it matches as well. And that one's just cut out of cardstock. So you can make a really quick kit. I also added a little tiny bottle of glue that somebody had gifted me the bottles, and I had several of them. So I just filled them up with some of my art glitter glue that I absolutely love. It's got a nice thing on there that should keep it from spilling, but just in case, I went ahead and put it in a plastic baggie. So everything here will be in individual baggies, and she can make it however she wants. I just want her to be able to sit down and craft and not have to worry about pulling anything out, because she, has packed up a lot of her stuff. But also, she doesn't have to, she can take a little bit of time for herself and try to distract her from the health problems and things that are going on in her home. And so this was, I thought, a really neat idea, and something that maybe you guys might want to do. If you don't send the bottle of glue, everything else would fit in a flat rate bag or one of the bags that you can buy from Walmart. Especially if you don't add the Easter grass, it would be nice and flat. And I thought it would make a really neat thing to share with our crafting friends through the holidays, and share some of the dies that we have that maybe somebody else doesn't have. So that was my thinking. I hope that you like this idea. If you do, and you're going to, do something like this for a friend, let me know, because I would like to know that it encouraged and inspired somebody to make something similar. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.